Hello, this is wmpyr. For today's lesson, we're going to be focusing on circular attacks. So let me show you an example of what they look like. Okay, boom, like that, just like that. All right. Now, in order to focus on them, we're going to go back to the basic form that we use the sticks with. All right. The basic form is diagonal, diagonal, horizontal, horizontal, and then stab. The stab is center line. It could be low, medium, or high. Okay, that's up to you, as long as it's center line. The goal here is to convert this into a circular motion. So right now it's just one motion. That's a slash. This is a slash. Those are the two diagonals. It's a slash, slash, and then stab. Okay, we want to add circular motion to that, and once we do that, this is what happens. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and even this, once you stab, you add a circular motion right there. So essentially what we're doing is we're slashing twice, okay, except for the stab. The stab is a stab, and then there's a slash in there. So once again, this is, number one is this slash, and we convert it to this. We slash, and then we slash again, okay? So that's what we're doing. 1, 2, it's a double slash. This is number 2. That was a double slash right there. And then number 3 is the horizontal, boom. And number 4 is horizontal the other way. And then stab and boom. Okay. So now I'm going to take it to the knife. All right. And when we go to the knife, it's the same thing. You start off with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then we do the exact same thing where we convert it. We add the circular motion. Boom. Boom, and just like that. All right. Now, another thing we want to do is we want to incorporate the stabs in there. Okay. So once we do that, it's a stab this way. Okay. And then we're going to add a follow through. Okay. So the first technique was this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. It was a diagonal slash. So we add this stab right here. And there's your follow through. So boom, it's technically going through the same line. All right. Number 2 is going to be, number 2 is a slash diagonal this way. So we're going to stab this way from this point right here. The only problem is our arm to follow that line, to do the follow through. This is very, very awkward. All right. It's very difficult to do. Okay. This is natural. This is not, okay? This is not a natural movement. So what you could just do is, since this is a stab, you could just stab right there, okay? So number 1 is stabs, and it follows through, but the stab is still here, okay? Number 2 is stab right there, and you don't have to do the follow through just because it's so awkward. Number 3 is a stab this way, go ahead and follow through. And number 4 is a stab this way, and it might be a little bit awkward, but it's not as bad as number 2. So you can do it. You could do this motion all the way. It's pretty strong. You can get used to that, all right? And then number 5 is the stab. Once we do the stab, we can follow through this way, okay? And that's fine, all right? So just stab and follow through, okay? So those are the 5 movements. Now, the next step, all right, is we want to combine that with a slash, okay? So we come in here and we stab and slash, okay? So in order for that to happen, you're stabbing just like you were, and then you're turning. You see that? You got to turn your arm, and then it goes into a slash. So it still follows the same motion as the very first basic form, okay, which is this. It's just that I'm stabbing first, and then I'm slashing. And because I'm doing that, if you can see, there is a circular motion there. All right. What's so important about this is when I was doing the double slash with the sticks, okay, so technically this is the first basic form. This is slash, number 1 technique, and then we changed it to this. Okay, we went boom. So that's a slash and then another slash right there. What we're doing now is a stab and a slash. Okay, so it goes like that instead of like that. All right, if you can see that, instead of going in with a slash, with another slash, I'm coming in coming in with a stab and then a slash. Alright, so they may look similar and they both have these circular movements in there. They're actually quite different. Alright, the second one over here, we're going to go into stab. The arm rotates once again and continues the motion into a slash right here. So we're going stab into a slash. Okay, boom. So there is your circular motion right there. Next one, number 3, was a stab this way and we just did the follow through. Instead, we're going to stab, rotate the arm, and then turn it into a slash instead of just doing a follow through with a stab. So, boom. Okay, you can see now that it has circular motion in there. Same with this side. You stab, and then it's going to rotate into a slash. So, boom. Okay, you can see the circle in there. Stab right here, okay, and then from there you can add the circular motion right there. You can stab, turn it, and now we can go upwards, stab, turn it, and we can go upwards this way, okay, just to change, boom, the motion right there. So you're going to stab, boom, alright, like so. So anyway, the main focus that I wanted to do here was, now hopefully you can see that there's 2 types of, when we're doing the circular motions like this, and we're doing they're double strikes basically. Some are stabs, you stab in first, and then it becomes a slash. And then some are slashes, where you're combining another slash. Alright, so hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Thank you for watching. Good luck training. Take care.